Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear basically after resetting. In order to reset, we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and unroll this About section. Here let's tap on Reset and confirm it. Nothing happened basically, we are still on the settings, but after getting back to the camera, you can see that the grid lines disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.